Wouldn't it be nice to support space if we could service and refit existing communication satellites without having to build a satellite in the typical way? NovaWurks is developing a homogeneous system to support missions like repurposed satellites. The design of the HISat, or Hyper-Integrated Satellite, is versatile, configurable, and flexible, mass-producible to accommodate tools, extensions, and adapters. With proposed safety criteria that is pre-qualified. Fluids and systems that are non-toxic, non-combustible, and non-hazardous. Mechanical structures that are robust to launch loads. A pod developed with containment and thermal control capabilities makes the HISat highly qualified for rideshare launches. Since we don't ask for power, the HISat has no need for electromagnetic compatibility testing, mitigating the risks to the rideshare. Once launched, the satellite remains benign until deployment under rideshare operator command. After the pod detects sunlight and reaches a safe distance from the rideshare, it can be authorized for activation, bringing the pod to life. HISat can be aggregated to provide both attitude control and a high-gain communications link to the ground.
Mission Control has authorized request to activate pod for attitude control.
Mission Control, we have telemetry guidance and a navigational control lock on Phoenix Pod SR 1965.
Mission Control to pod SR 1965, performing handoff to ST.
HISat provides the ability to be reconfigured for local network communications. Once the ST has locked onto the pod, it's captured and stored for assembly during transit.
Roger that, ST has established telemetry and navigation control of the pod.
While in transit, the servicer tender assembles the satellites into the appropriate configuration as required by mission tasking.
Phoenix Control, while assembling Satellite Group 17B, note the wireless and cable power capabilities are to be disabled. Integrate 2 solar panels into assemblies A and B. Phoenix Control telemetry in Satellite 43 shows a communications anomaly. Auto diagnostics are running now. Ground request satellite changeout.
Requested disconnect unsuccessful. Configure removal satellite.
An advantage of highly redundant systems, spare HISats are capable of replacing any failed unit. Even connector failures can be solved by the HISat design.
Satellite captured, propellant captured, connector locks released, satellite ready for removal.
Phoenix Control repaired, and you are go for installation.
Now, the servicer tender prepares to dock with the communication satellite in need of servicing. Having pre-built the satellite configuration in transit, the ST places the first of 2 assemblies onto the communication satellite. Adapters in the user-defined space easily accommodate custom tools. Once the attitude package has been installed, the ST moves into position to place the communications array. The communication satellite group was pre-assembled with the proper RF feed during transit to allow for full access to ST's robotic controller arms. Once the ST has prepped the transponder cone, the communication package is placed into position, and the repurposed communication satellite is refreshed for new missions.
Mission Control, we have positive control of ComSat. Request adjustment to RF placement.
HISat capabilities allow adjustment of the communications package to minimize signal loss.
Please adjust HISat RF configuration.
Adjusting to 3.5 degrees.
That's affirmative. RF is 5x5. Systems are nominal. Engage solar track.
A repurposed aperture is now available with a state-of-the-art communications package providing mission services to its users. HISat's emerging ability to refit, service, and upgrade existing communication satellites provides a definitive cost benefit to end users. HISat is the future of space support.